Let's be real for a second. You've seen people online saying, I made $1,000 in a day, but you're still wondering how to make your first $100. No hype, no crypto, no begging friends to sign up. Just a real strategy that works, even if you're broke, busy, or starting from zero. I remember Googling how to make money online at 2 a.m. after work. Tired. Over it. I didn't want a side hustle that drained me. I wanted something that built me. And if that's you too, you're in the right place. Here's what I wish someone told me. There are 3 beginner-friendly, faceless ways to hit $100 fast. Resell digital products you didn't create. Use Gumroad or Etsy. Think Notion templates, resume kits, digital journals. Answer questions on Just Answer or respond to emails on Inbox Dollars. Low skill, easy start. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to write mini ebooks or social captions. Then sell them on Fiverr. Each of these works, but pick one and go deep, not wide. That's where the money comes. You're not behind, you're just not aligned yet. Online income isn't about luck, it's about leverage. And this channel, Digital Goldmine, it's here to give you leverage. Subscribe. Every week, I'll break down real, low-barrier ways to build your online income without showing your face, begging for followers, or getting scammed. This is the start. Let's go get your first $100.